Welcome to Flavors for Life Healthy Culinary Movement. Let's learn about amino acids. We need amino acids for functions such as normal repair of tissues, muscle growth, recovery after workouts, enzyme production, supporting a healthy immune system, and normal neurotransmitter production that supports overall brain function. What are amino acids? Amino acids are often called the building blocks of proteins. When chained together, they help form bigger proteins in your body. Where do you get amino acids from? They're found in the greatest quantities in foods that are high in protein, such as meat, fish, eggs, soy, legumes, and seeds. How many amino acids are there? The human body requires 20 different amino acids to grow and function properly. The body makes some, while others are only found in protein foods. The 20 amino acids we need are categorized into 3 main types: essential, non-essential, and conditional. Essential amino acids. These are 9 amino acids that the body cannot synthesize on its own, and therefore we must obtain through our diets. They include histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and valine. Non-essential amino acids. These are amino acids that the body can produce on its own from other compounds. Even though we can make non-essential amino acids, getting them from food sources can still benefit us by further boosting our levels. They include alanine, asparagine, aspartic acid, and glutamic acid. Conditional amino acids. Conditional amino acids are usually not essential, except in times when our bodies can use extra support, such as occasional stressful times. They include arginine, cysteine, glutamine, tyrosine, glycine, ornithine, proline, and serine. Benefits of amino acids. Amino acids help with protein synthesis and muscle growth, energy production, healthy immune system support, digestive health, normal tissue repair, and normal neurotransmitter production. Top food sources of amino acids. Meat and fish. Meat and fish are excellent sources of essential amino acids. They are considered complete proteins because they contain all 9 essential amino acids, plus all other amino acids as well. Animal-derived foods are the most protein-rich, complete proteins. Eggs and dairy. Eggs and dairy products are other examples of complete proteins. Organic soy. Soy is among the few plant-based foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source and a great option for plant-based eaters. Whole grains. 100% whole grains contain a decent amount of protein as well as fiber and other nutrients. Quinoa, buckwheat, hemp, and chia seeds all contain all 9 essential amino acids in sufficient quantities. Legumes. While not complete proteins on their own, when legumes and whole grains are paired together, like beans and rice for example, they can provide all the essential amino acids. Nuts and seeds. These are rich in certain amino acids and provide healthy fats and fiber. For more educational videos, please visit our YouTube channel, youtube.com/@flavorsforlife.